Good morning, this Wednesday the 9th of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday the ASX 200 closed in the green. The materials sector made strong gains as iron ore in the spot market rose. BHP, Rio Tinto and Fortescue Metals were all higher. Meanwhile, tech shares declined the most as Australia's 10-year bond yield exceeded 2.1%, reaching the highest level since the beginning of 2019. This saw a sell-off in tech stocks, which tend to be more sensitive to interest rates. Also yesterday on the ASX 200, travel stocks gained for a second session after news that the Australian border will open on the 21st of February to those who are double vaccinated and hold a valid visa. States are still to determine quarantine requirements and caps on arrivals. However, the news saw Webjet, Flight Centre and Corporate Travel Management all make the leaderboard. Casino owner Skycity Entertainment, SKC, and Star Entertainment, SGR, also made the top 10, boosted by confidence for tourism. And the most traded stock by Bell Direct clients was A2B Australia, which is home to brands such as 13 Cabs, Cabcharge and EFT Solutions. Its share price gained 12% yesterday after the departure of Chief Executive Andrew Skelton. The company also launched a strategic review of operations. And European markets closed mixed as investors await US inflation data out later this week, while US equities gained. The Dow up 1.06%, the S&P 500 up 0.84% and the Nasdaq up 1.28%. As for what to watch today, locally, the ASX 200 is set to open higher. The SPI futures are suggesting a 0.27% rise at the open this morning. In economic news yesterday, NAB's Business Confidence Index for January was released, with confidence bouncing back to 3 index points from negative 12 points in December. Business conditions, however, fell below the long-run average. All 3 components of business conditions deteriorated, with large falls in profitability, sales and employment. Today, Westpac's Consumer Confidence Index for February will be released at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. In commodities, the oil price has fallen to $89.64 a barrel as attention was turned to the Iran nuclear talks that are set to resume today. Gold is higher, trading at $1,826 an ounce as the dollar rebounded ahead of US inflation data out later this week. And the seaborne iron ore price is trading at $148.83 a tonne. Now, Commonwealth Bank CBA reported its half-year results this morning, delivering strong financial and operational performance. Statutory NPAT increased by 26% and CBA declared a $1.75 fully franked interim dividend, up 17% from this time last year. Look out for our full report on CBA out later today. There are also several other companies that will be reporting their earnings results today. Some of these include Centura Capital Group, SNI, Dexus, DXI, Mineral Resources, MIN, and Northern Star Resources, NST. And ResMed RMD set to go ex-dividend today, which may see its share price fall as investors take their profits. As for some trading ideas to consider, Bell Potter and Macquarie have different views on global mining tech company Imdex IMD after the company reported its earnings this week. Half-year revenue is up 35% to $167.8 million and NPAT is up more than 80% to $24.4 million. And Imdex declared a fully franked interim dividend of $1.50 per share. Now, following the report, Bell Potter have downgraded IMD from a buy to a hold, maintaining a $3 price target. They reduced underlying EPS estimated for FY 22, 23 and 24 respectively, driven by higher D&A and net interest and higher cost assumptions. On another note, Macquarie retained their outperform rating on IMD and have increased their price target to $2.90 from $2.90 to $3.30. IMD's revenue and earnings beat Macquarie's expectations by 13%. And lastly, Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Imcore Resources MCR, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $1.71 to the range of $2.06 to $2.14 within 18 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. Now that is all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.